Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Rick Titus, and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here, and I would like to take you out in the lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2014 Toyota RAV4 XLE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with signals, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. Its combination of features, passenger space, and everyday utility warrant a closer look if you're shopping for a small crossover. This RAV4 has 17-inch alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There is also a spare tire and a low-pressure tire warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this RAV4 is in great condition. It has auto-off projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps along with fog lamps and a really nice key-colored grille with chrome accents to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This RAV4 has front-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive 26 miles per gallon on the average. Let's not forget that this RAV4 only has 47,015 miles on it. At the back of the RAV4, you can see the antenna, the spoiler, and the high mount light, along with the rear wiper, large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see it is very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice this RAV4 has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders as well as the seat back pockets. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This RAV4 is also equipped with door bins, in-dash storage, and an outside temperature gauge. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with automatic lock, and the power windows with driver express up and down. This RAV4 has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-the-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have dual zone climate control that's automatic, and everything is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It is very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.